Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Monday 16th of January with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at Euro-Dollar now. It's interesting because the dollar started to strengthen again. I spoke in the morning report about the fact that you had this sort of move out above 106.70 um, that had been the basis of resistance, 106.70, this sort of mid-December high. Last couple of days, Thursday, Friday, sort of move out on an intraday basis, but failed to close really above it and really gain the traction. And just today, you've just drifted off again. And you sort of used in this sort of point at which the momentum indicators are sort of at that level of which you're sort of in the mid 50s up towards 60 on the RSI, neutral on the MACD lines, 80 on the stochastics. You want to see this continuing to push on, otherwise you might start to see it roll over again. And again, today's candle slightly lower, just rolling over underneath that 106 level of support they've been basically holding for the past few days. Underneath that, yes, you sort of bounced back towards it, 105.97 as we speak, but it'll be interesting to see if we continue to sort of track lower, because you are sort of starting to post a series of lower highs. Today's lower high at 635, and that's underneath 670 again and 685, which was Thursday's high. So you're starting to see these small lower highs now. Again, it will be interesting to see if this sort of market sort of moves into a more of a corrective phase again, because again the hourly RSI had been holding up above 40, sort of went below 40 this morning. MACD lines on the hourly just dropping below neutral. So there is sort of a minor deterioration with this sort of drop below 106 big figure. And I think if that 105.60 level breaks, which was that reaction low on Wednesday, then I think you could start to see more of a corrective phase. So that's the level I think I'd be looking out for, 105.60. If you broke that, then you're looking sort of back at 104.50 area, which was that reaction on Wednesday. So I think there's an interesting chart, and it's unlikely to move especially far, I think, today, because you've got Martin Luther King Day. So you haven't really got any US trading, but I think at the moment there is a mild dollar strengthening that is beginning to pull this one slightly lower, and as I said, below 106 figure, you're starting to be a little bit more corrective, perhaps near term. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.